Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In today's video, talk about the overnight battery draining test on the Oneplus Nord 2 using the battery saving mode option. Yes friends, if you're trying to use the battery saving mode option, you can actually save a lot of battery life in the Oneplus Nord device. Let me try to show you the screenshots which are taken yesterday night before sleeping and after waking up in the morning. And during this time, I did use only the power saving mode option, as you can see. So which is very powerful, and you can actually save a lot of battery if you try to use this kind of mode. So let me just show you the screenshot which I taken yesterday night during the process, and I'm trying to use only the single SIM only during this process of testing. As you can see, only single SIM card installed. And this is a screenshot which I taken yesterday night before sleeping, as you can see, with the 49% of the battery, and I did turn on the power saving mode option, as you can see, and the dark mode has been scheduled, so in the morning it got turned off. And in the morning after waking up around, I think close to, I did wake up around 7 o'clock, somewhere around that time, but I did take the screenshot around 9:37, as you can see. 9:37 is the time which I taken a screenshot, and the battery percentage is of 48%. So overnight draining, there was only 1% got drained completely from the night to morning, as you can see friends, if you try to use the power saving mode option. So overall, in case if you're experiencing any kind of battery draining in the Oneplus Nord 2, I would suggest you to use this power saving mode option and try it in your device. So not only that, you can try to use the more battery settings and try to use this sleep standby optimization. Even that also helps you to give a little bit kind of more battery life in the Oneplus Nord 2 device in terms of the saving lot of battery, as you can see friends. So that's it friends, thank you for watching this video. This is a quick review which I thought of doing on the Oneplus Nord 2 using the power saving mode, how much the battery is draining after the recent software update. So I'll try to do the plenty of other testing on this OnePlus Nord 2 as well. So let me know in the comment section below, even if you're using this kind of power saving mode, how much battery is draining overnight in this device. So thank you for watching this video friends. See you in the next video, and let's stay tuned for more updates. Meanwhile, signing off. Bye.